What is going on, guys? I am incredibly excited because the delivery man has just come and dropped off my new bike. It's actually a day early. I wasn't expecting it until tomorrow, but yeah, really excited. So we're going to go find out what it is. Also, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I'm now filming on a Samsung Galaxy S8. Hopefully it'll make it a bit easier to do like vloggy style videos and that, because I can just take it with me wherever I go. But yeah, let's get down to the bike. Here we go, my two boxes. I'm gonna take them both upstairs. Start with this little one. This is gonna be the easy one to carry. I can already tell the other one's gonna be really difficult. Oh. I definitely need to start going to the gym. Ah! Lulu! Lulu, stop messing around. We got stuff to do. Seem to have got myself in a bit of a sticky situation here. How am I going to get? Ah! So we'll start with this one. Ooh. Oh. Boom. So in this first box we have a wheel, a Halo Vapor 35 with a Schwalbe Magic Mary Addicts compound tyre. The guys at Halo Wheels are super nice. They hooked me up. Go check them out at www.halowheels.com, or their Instagram is just at Halo Wheels. This is probably the biggest clue for finding out what the bike's going to be. Some of you might be able to guess by now. But yeah, let's see what else is in this box, shall we? Oh, that's light. I'm guessing that's the handlebar. What else we got? That's probably the seat post, I'm assuming, but I could be wrong. Oh, there's just one last thing in here. Now that's probably going to give it away. So I'm quick going to open up these and see what's inside them. Got the scissors. Let's open these babies up. So in those two packages we have a KS Lev dropper post and a Gusset Slade 780mm bar. Looks really nice with those black decals. Now I think we'll get the main package in here and open her up. Oh yeah! This is the exciting part. Oh! Woo! Oh, that was an anticlimax. I thought it was going to open up and here we go. Wow. She's all bubble wrapped up. Can you tell what it is yet? Oh. The grey on this bike, like online it looks sick, but in person it looks insane. So nice. Right, let's get that bubble wrap off. Oh baby. This is a Identity metal. The guys at Identity were kind enough to hook me up with a great price on it, so big thanks to them. Go check them out at Identity Bikes on Instagram. Can't wait to get it built up. Stoked. Time to see what's inside this box here. Oh geez, it's difficult doing everything with one hand. Ah. Clench it in. Ah. Yeah, there we go. Right, so now that says Gusset Magnum stem, but I definitely already have a stem on there, so I'm not sure what that is. I'm guessing it's, I don't know. Gusset seat, had that on my last 2 bikes, super comfortable. What is this? Rear mech. And I've actually got Eagle on this bike, so SRAM Eagle, so it's the 12 speed. I'd like to think I'd be doing a bit of climbing, but I really can't imagine I will, because that's just not what I'm like. I just rather push up. Chain. I'm not sure that is something else Gusset, but oh, hello. Oh, that's a spare headset. Sick, I guess. Gusset grip. RockShox manual. That looks like the gear outer cable. Here we go. Brake. Ooh, some nice identity stickers. Operating manual for the bike. It just keeps them coming. Another brake. More. Another grip. Couple clamps. What's this clamp for? That looks like a matchmaker clamp, so that would be for the brake and for the shifter. Bolts and bar plugs for my grips. Awesome. Did I have a shifter? Now there's the brake. There's another brake. Oh, I'm guessing the shifter's in here. I'm really hoping the shifter's in here. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, although it looks like a bit of a mess at the moment, this is all I need to build up the bike, so I will catch you guys in a bit. It is currently the next day. I got most of the bike built up last night, but I'm going to take it to my friend Thomas, and he's going to cut down some of the cables and just get it dialed in. So there it is in all its glory. Off to see Thomas. All sorted. Huge thanks to Thomas. The bike is now ready for its first ride. Going to take it out tomorrow, I think, and see what it's capable of. I also taped up a few bits to keep it fresh. That's normally where the cables rub, where the knee pads rub, where the shoes rub, and obviously had to tape the fork as well, just to stop it from getting scratched. Want to keep her nice and pretty. So yeah, that's the bike in all its glory. Really excited for the first ride tomorrow, see what it can do. Yeah, pumped.
You